To my mukbang. Wow. What are we having here, guys? We're having four big steam buns. What are we having here, guys? Steam buns. I believe in China and the Philippines, some parts of Asia, they call it Siopao. Okay, look, take a look of this. Uh, this is the ingredient, guys, that I use. I use the flour, guys. I use for this. I use chicken for this. I use flour. I use oil. I use cheese, water, sugar, soy sauce, and also I needed for that. I needed also a steamer. If you would like to know, guys, how to make this recipe, just scroll down. I would like to leave my link for my cooking recipe for this, the dim sum. Oh, you can try, guys. Give it a shot. It's a very good recipe, and it's a variation snack. This snack goes back in hundreds, maybe thousands of years ago. The recipe for the dim sum. This is very authentic Chinese cuisine, guys. So we're having this ready. We already prepared this. Now we got them now in the steamer. And now we're gonna take them out from the steamer and we're ready to eat. Well, this is how they look like. This is how they look like, guys. Nice looking stuff. I'm gonna eat them all, hopefully. I'm gonna eat all this. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. Okay, how nice. It looked like a little gift. Like a flower gift. I remember the first time that I see steam buns in my life was on a it was in a kung fu movie. Yeah, I saw it in a kung fu movie. I was wondering all that time, what is that they're eating? I remember, like, that kind of movie. They were like the people selling the steam buns in a basket, the Chinese, and then people. I remember there was a fight. A guy, yeah, I forgot the name of that movie, full movie, but I know the guy. He wanted to get away. He wanted to run away with a steam bun, and the sailor chased the other guy, the guy who took the steam bun. I learned how to make this recipe. It wasn't until 2005 that I learned how to make the steam bun. I didn't learn how to do the steam buns at the culinary school. When I learned how to do this, it was at home. I remember, I think in the library, I get the recipe from a library, I believe. It was from a library. Then they have a different kind of international cuisine, food. And then I chose Chinese. Let me try to get something here. I like Chinese cuisine. Mm. The thing is that when you make the dim sum, I remember when I made my first dim sum. Mm, yeah, when I made my first dim sum, I remember what I used was a metal steamer. Back home, I didn't have I didn't have the bamboo steamer available. So what I have is the metal steamer. But I noticed that when you use the metal steamer, it's not as good as the bamboo. Because the thing is, when you use the metal steamer, it will collect water. It will condensate. The lid will have water condensation that will drip in on the top of the dim sum, and it will lose shape. You see, in the case of this, look at how nice. When you use the bamboo steamer, that doesn't happen. I mean, look at how even and nice it cooked. So nicely even. See? Mm. So, as soon as I have a chance to get a bamboo steamer, that was the first time that my steamboat was so nicely cooked. The bread and everything. It's like when you cook it. This is like bread. The only thing is a sealed bread. The meat is inside, right? So the meat is stuffed inside the bread bun. It's inside. So that's why captivate my attention so much about the dim sum. The fact, let's say for example, I wish they could do this one time with a burger. I mean, the burger and the lettuce and the tomatoes. I wish everything would be inside a bun that wouldn't come out. Sometimes when you're eating on a burger, everything starts to fall apart and then it's all messy. But in the case of the steamboat, that doesn't happen. Everything stayed inside the steam bun. Nothing come out. You gotta steam it, and the way you cook it is with a steam. The steam from the water that would cook the bread. That's approximately, it's very hot already. The heat from the steam should be around 300 degrees. So it's very hot. I'm kind of full, guys. I'm gonna leave my steamboat for later. I'm already full. So, oh my god, what a good snack, guys! The good thing about the steam bun, it's such a good snack to carry on. I know that the thing about the dim sum when you make the steam bun is take quite a while. It will take a few hours from your time to make the steam bun, but it worked to make it, guys. It works every penny and every minute of your time. It's a memory that you will never forget in the kitchen. I'm telling you. Give it a try, guys, and get the recipe. I will leave the link there below. If not, scroll down. If not, scroll down. You're gonna find my dim sum recipe. And you're gonna have fun, guys. Salud. Wow. Take care of yourself, guys, and I will see you inside for my next mukbang. It will be posted soon again. Take care of yourself, and have a beautiful day. Bye.